It is important to set a reference on the RP460 power meter before using it to perform dB loss readings in optical cables. Before you begin, make sure you have the DLS355 light source, the single mode loopback jumper with LC, SC, and LC clipped ends, the loopback jumper, and the RP460 power meter. The SC end of the loopback jumper will be inserted into the DLS355. The single LC end will be inserted into the RP460, and the LC clipped end will be inserted into the duplex adapter attached to the loopback module. Your full setup should look like this. When both ends of your yellow jumper are inserted into the adapters on the DLS355 and the RP460, you can power both units on. Make sure both units are set to the correct wavelength for your build by pressing the wavelength key until you reach the desired wavelength. If you are unsure of the required wavelength, ask your construction manager or consult your build documentation. To set a reference, the RP460 needs to be in Dbm mode. To switch to Dbm mode, press the Dbm key on the RP460 for 1 second. Your reading on the RP460 should be between -3 and -5 dBm. If your reading is not in this range, clean and reseat all connectors and try again. With your reading between -3 and -5 dBm, you can now set your reference by holding the Dbm key for 4 seconds, until you hear a second, slightly longer beep. You should now have a reading of 0 dB on your screen. Fluctuations of 0.05 dB in either direction are normal, but if the reading fluctuates much more than that, you will have to clean your connectors and try again. With your RP460 holding a steady reading in dB mode, you can remove the loopback module from the jumper and send it to the top of the tower to begin loss testing.
Find out more at Vicom's website.